you understand the course of fire? All right, go ahead, load and make ready. Blow ready? All right. Are you ready? Stand by!
I won't be fly loading much today. My duals worked this time.
My dual load didn't work fine.
It depends on how far you got to move. If you don't have to move, or like in this bay here, I can help that.
Yeah.
So, some other ones you have to run for. I had no trouble at all dual loading, so I might stick with that for a while. Yeah, old, so I don't know. Not bad. Those ropes are usually really cold too.
Yeah, well, but they're
Better than nothing. I mean, I'm usually good after about